the finished look. I achieved this look using a Conair Spiral Curler. And of course, as you know, on this channel, we do not discriminate against heat. I'm okay with heating tools, blow dryers, flat irons, curlers. But I do believe if you are going to use those type of tools, then make sure you use some type of heating protectant or thermal spray or something of that nature if you do not want to damage your hair. So you could have achieved this look using like a bantu nada or some type of overnight twist out or something like that, but this was last minute. So if you want to add volume to your hair or something like that, then you can do this. Of course, once I finished curling my hair, I did tease it a lot and I combed it out to give it more like of this big look. But if you do want the more tight defined curl look, then of course, once you finish curling your hair, make sure you don't tease it as much. Don't use a wide tooth comb, and you probably want to use some type of setting spray or hold to hold your curls in place. If you have any questions or comments, then leave those down below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and you can tap the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload new content. I have been trying to get more content out more often. I have a goal of 200 subscribers by the end of this year, so if you guys could help me reach that, that would be amazing. That's all for this video. I'm about to head out for a second. I will see you guys in my next video.